Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Vicky Augustin with NPM 224-11038. This time I will discuss an important topic, namely the basic challenges in organizational design. Organizational design is not just drawing a structure or determining a position, but involves efforts to build a foundation that can support the company's long-term strategy and goals. However, behind all that, there are many challenges that must be faced by every organization. Let's discuss it together. The first challenge often faced in organizational design is determining the most appropriate structure. The right structure will create an efficient workflow and ensure that every part of the company can contribute optimally. There are several types of structures to choose from, such as a functional structure that divides the organization based on function, a divisional structure based on product or region, and a matrix structure that combines the two. Each type of structure has advantages and disadvantages. For example, a functional structure is effective for specialization, but can create silos between departments. On the other hand, a matrix structure can increase flexibility, but complicate coordination. Therefore, organizations need to consider many factors when determining the most suitable structure. The next challenge is ensuring that the organizational structure is aligned with the business strategy. Organizational design cannot stand alone, it must support the company's strategic objectives. For example, if the primary strategy is innovation and product development, then the organizational design should allow for creativity and cross-team collaboration. However, if the focus is on efficiency and cost savings, then a more centralized and standardized structure may be more appropriate. Aligning structure with strategy is not just about choosing a model, but also about how to manage change and ensure that the structure remains flexible to future strategic changes. Adapting to changes in the external environment is also a major challenge. In this era of globalization and digitalization, changes in the business world occur very quickly. Companies must be able to respond to changes such as technological developments, government regulations, or rapidly changing market trends. Therefore, the organizational design must be flexible enough to allow for rapid adjustments without disrupting operational stability. For example, companies may need to restructure or form special teams to handle changes in certain sectors. In this case, companies that are able to balance stability and flexibility will have a competitive advantage. Effective communication is key in organizational design. Structures that do not support smooth communication can lead to miscommunication, interdepartmental conflicts, and block the flow of information. For example, in organizations with many divisions or branches, important information is often blocked at a certain level and does not reach the employees who need it. To overcome this, organizations need to design clear communication channels and adopt technologies that can speed up the process of sharing information, such as project management software or an effective internal communication system. Another challenge is maintaining employee motivation and well-being. Good organizational design must take into account employee needs and satisfaction. Structures that are too hierarchical or less transparent can demotivate employees because they feel they do not have the opportunity to contribute. In addition, if career paths are unclear or promotions are too difficult to achieve, employees may feel less motivated and eventually experience burnout or even resign. Therefore, organizations need to design structures that are not only efficient but also provide